Okay, Chris is chatting away on the phone back there. So, Chris, can you roll the news music?
If you're tired of the same old news,
What more do you want?
I want the truth.
You're hearing it. Strap yourselves in, folks.
never fear.
What's the dealio?
Part of life is learning to let things go.
We've got news moms can use.
What was that name again? I missed that.
News moms can use.
Brought to you by Therapon Skin Health, helping moms have healthy, youthful-looking skin for 20 years.
Okay, Chris, you do rock. You're just producing things back there for me, so I appreciate that you're doing that. I do appreciate it.
I do what I can.
I know you do. This is News Moms Can Use, and we at Channel Mom pick our news stories based on what we think moms want or need to hear, which we think a lot of other media outlets do not. Today, just one story, and then we're going to get to our guest who has a lot of news for you as well, frankly. All right, nothing says lunchtime to an American kid quite like peanut butter and jelly, or maybe a slice of deli meat. Unbeknownst to most parents who pack school lunch boxes, however, both of these favorites could expose kids to toxic chemicals. Good morning! Here's my happy news.
Is there anything that doesn't have toxic chemicals in it at this
But
point?
here's the very strange thing. It's a study of popular lunch products done in at grocery stores in Dallas, Texas. And the researchers found that nearly half of the sampled peanut butter and cold cuts, as well as turkey, fish, beef, and other fatty foods, and peanut butter as well, contained traces of a flame retardant commonly used in the foam insulation of building walls.
Traces?
Hello! What? How does that get in there?
I don't know. It must be on the
I mean,
machinery.
surely they're not adding it. Well, we need some flame retardant in our peanut butter. I mean, there's no way they're adding it on purpose. I think it's partly just because we have such a highly chemical world now that they're talking about the containers are leaching, the plastic that they're wrapped in is leaching into the product.
We're all going to die.
Yeah, that's absolutely true, Shelley. There's your news flash for this morning. Everybody dies. Everybody pays well, not everybody pays taxes,
Welcome
but
to
you're
Channel
supposed to. Exactly. Aren't we happy this morning? I really wanted to tell moms and dads this who are making lunches just so that they're aware. The bad news is I have no idea how to tell you which ones to avoid because they just found it in so much stuff. My guess is that maybe you're a little safer if you're using organic or things that are packaged in non-leaching product, non-leaching packaging. I don't know. It's a little alarming that they're finding flame retardant in those things.
I'm sure we'll hear about it throughout the year. Because you remember how they had to switch the water bottles to has a number,
yes.
a certain number
Yes,
on
I
it
do.
now.
I do.